What's going on, guys? It's Austin from Cincy Bros Coasters. Today's video, we are going somewhere to look at the construction of something. So join me as we go take some pictures, videos, documentation. Well, videos. This is a video, obviously, of the new. Should I say it? And I'll make you guys wait. So keep watching this video, and let's just get going to the place. I don't know why I said I'll make you guys wait, because literally the place we're going is probably gonna be in the title of the video. So. I mean, unless I title it something different, but I don't know why I said that. Guys, it is 63 degrees today, and it's December. Like, welcome to Ohio. Like, I'm used to it by now, but like, it's just crazy. It snowed a couple weeks ago. Now it's 63. Like, Ohio weather doesn't make any sense. If you guys are from Ohio, you guys obviously know that. Got Camp Cedar right there. Got some of the houses. Cleveland construction. And thank you. There's what coming spring 2021. There's a proposed drawing. Is there anybody behind us? Construction is currently going on as we speak.
This is taken from Kingsview Drive, a public road in Warren County.
Yeah. There's some kind of building right there.
But that's the community building.
Yeah, cool. Yeah. It's a big property from the area. It's probably that pool building or something. Oh, they got a house over there. Oh, they got a bunch of them back there. They're all the way back there. It focuses. Oh yeah, you go all the way back there. There's one over there.
Right next to the interstate.
Yeah. I know, like, I wonder if they're gonna put sound walls up to make it not as loud. Are people gonna get any sleep? It goes right till there, to all these businesses. Here's the road. Here's some of the houses. Vandalizer. We have a new public road. We got some structure over there. Oh wow. Yeah, there's a building all the way back there too. I think they're supposed to have some restaurants and stuff like that. Yeah, this is pretty cool. All the way back there. Yeah, more campsites. It's not too loud right there. Beach right there, cliff. Shane's Island off in the distance. See the Eiffel Tower right in the middle of the screen there. a couple of buildings on the property. I think I counted 3 of the like brand new buildings besides the houses. It's crazy. I didn't realize all this was back here. Yeah, I don't know.
It's supposed to have a restaurant.
Yeah, that might be like the main lobby or something. Oh yeah, they got another sign right there. It's pretty cool. That's going to do it for today. If you enjoyed this particular episode, make sure you drop a like, subscribe to this channel if you're new. Other than that, it's Austin, and I'm out. Peace. Back of the mini houses we saw earlier. I think they have some that can get all the way up to 8 people in them.
I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right.